So I joined self-publishing school in May of 2016. So I had a manuscript pretty much written at the time, and I just didn't know how to launch this book. I wanted to get some good feedback, and so I was looking for a program that would be able to take me through the whole process from cradle to grave. My favorite part of the process, I would definitely say, is the community, the Mastermind Community. I would describe the Mastermind Community as a gold mine for authors. It is a great place where authors can go and meet other authors, best-selling authors and new authors. There's lots of resources and content that you can get from the community, and a lot of the resources in there are free. Some are, you pay for it, but a lot of times you get really, really good discounts. You go through weekly sessions with different speakers, and sometimes there's more speakers and best-selling authors. It's just amazing. Again, the Mastermind Community is a gold mine for authors, whether you are at the beginning or the end, or you're trying to sell more books. It's so amazing when you see royalty checks from your book. So my book has brought in royalties. It's caused me to get speaking engagements. My book, it's just so amazing to see that without me even promoting it hard. And that's one of the things I looked at. I'm like, hey, I'm making all this money in speaking engagements without doing anything. So imagine if I come to a program like this, the Authors Advantage Live, I can take this to the next level. So I've definitely seen some good financial success through it. So I've expanded the reach of my book through translating my book in Spanish. So my wife led that process because she's Hispanic, and it's so amazing to see how the Hispanic community is responding to the book. And so launching it in Spanish has even increased my English sales. What I see is a lot of people, when they buy it in Spanish, they also buy it in English. So that's quite interesting to see. If someone was on the fence about joining the self-publishing school, I would say just do it. Simply just do it. Join. It's good to take action. Sometimes when you're on the fence, you end up missing a great opportunity that's right in the front of you. And I mean, the prices just go up. Like the price I paid in 2016 is not the same price that people are paying today. So take advantage of the opportunity. I believe it's T. Harv Eker. He always say action beats inaction. So take action, and if you want to publish your book or self-publish your book, join the self-publishing school.